What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of New Parents in Training. So previously I have done a video on Dalgona coffee, which is mixing three simple ingredients and make a very delicious coffee. But it was a lot of hassle. For one, the ingredients you mix in the mixing bowl, and using a regular utensil it takes too long. But using a hand mixer, well, if you haven't noticed from my video, it kind of splashed everywhere inside the mixer. So I found this handy little tool on Amazon and just got in today. It's called the Zulay kitchen. Well, this particular one is called Milk Boss Electric Milk Frother. So this just came in today. I ordered one, but two came in, and then with a thank you card. And the thank you card says, "We know times are rough, and to brighten up your day, we have added a free bonus gift for you." So I'm assuming the other bonus is the same. Before I open it up, let's just talk about some of the stuff that lay out on the box itself. So it kind of tell you the usage instruction, the cleaning instruction, and also it does require a battery. So I don't think the battery are included in here. You require two AA battery, and also it contain like our story. And here, if you scan it with your phone, you can get a bunch of more information on Zulay Kitchen. And it says here you get like a free drinks ebook, how-to video, free $5 gift card, and warranty and registration. So it's very simple to kind of go through the steps. So you can just follow this along. Okay, let me open up one of them and see what's inside. So once you open it up, it looks something like this. So it has a card, stop, attention. Do not return this product. Zulay Kitchen is here to help you with any problem. Contact information and the important message on the back. Please do not return. Stop. We can help you. Okay, they really don't want me to return this. One of the reasons why they sent me two, I suppose. I'm not quite sure at this point. Okay, so here's a longer card. This Zulay Kitchen, we got you covered for life. Okay, lifetime guarantee, 100% money back. Okay, that's good to know. 100% satisfaction guarantee. It's USA-based family-owned business. Oh, cool. It's based off from what I suppose is from Clearwater, Florida. And I also had the indication in the back where you can get the recipe for more drinks and stuff. So that's that. There's one more item in here. Oh, okay. There's one more card. So lifetime guarantee, 100% money back. So, okay. There's a coupon here. You can keep this card and email us whenever you can officially register for our warranty online and receive 20% coupon code at zulaykitchen.com/warranty. So, okay, that's good to know. All right, so that's what's inside the box. Let's see the handle itself. Okay, it came with a stand, and this is the mixer. It came pretty well packaged. Has little plastic thing around the sharp edges so it won't scratch the wand. So take that out. Okay, so this is the wand handle, whatever you want to call it. It's very simple. The feel is pretty nice. I definitely able to get a good grip on it. So, and also at the back, there's a cave-in area. I suppose you put your index finger on it, and that's where you press the top. That's the on-off button. So now let's see. The battery tray is here. Open it up. So there's a ribbon. If you pull on it, it has a little instruction inside. So I need to insert two AA batteries. The first one to go in, the plus sign has to be facing up toward the on-off button with the ribbon underneath the battery. Okay. Second one obviously is the opposite. with the negative sign geared toward the on-off button. So that's it. Oh, okay. So it will be on if you hold it down. Yeah, okay, this is cool. All right, let me open up this one to see if it's the same thing. Same stuff, the car and the tension car. So they sent me two black Zulay. Price itself is very reasonable. I think I only pay like less than $14 per on Amazon. Two of them came, so what, like $7, $8 each? Yeah, anyway, so let me try it out. I'll make a dalgona coffee real quick. Okay guys, so I have all the ingredients here. I'm going to use this as a mixing bowl today. It's not as big, so it's kind of convenient, and also it's quite shallow, so I have enough room to work with. The ingredients for dalgona is very simple. It's 1 to 1 to 1. So 2 tablespoons of hot water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. So I just pour them. So one of the reasons why I make that drink so good is because it's so simple. It just takes some time to make it. It's, you know, it takes effort to whip up the coffee into the cream-like consistency. So everything is in here. I have my wand ready. I have a stopwatch to see how long it actually takes to make it. Because last time on my video, initially I used my hand to beat it for like 2 to 3 minutes, and then I used a hand mixer, which the total time I used up was like about 12 minutes. So hopefully this will speed up the process. Anyway, so here it is. Let's get started. So the dalgona coffee is done. It's very easy to use. You just hold it down, and it recommend to do up and down movement. So yeah, I found that very useful. It kind of get the air out the coffee very quickly as well. So I tilt the cup so it has more liquid for it to work with in the angle. So it just go up and down, and then it takes a lot shorter time. There are a lot less mess, as you can see from the video earlier, that the cup I use is quite shallow, but the splash is minimal. So yeah, this has worked really, really well. While cleaning up, the company recommend just washing the metal part. So that's what I did, and I run into water while off, and then I turn it on while at the water. But how I did it was I used my hand to kind of cover up so the water won't splash everywhere. Or you just put inside a cup and then wash it and turn it on that way. Yeah, I really like this little wand. It's really, really helpful. In the future video, I might use it more to make all kinds of different drinks, so stay tuned. But yeah, I definitely recommend you guys to check this company out in Zulay Kitchen. It's very wonderful experience so far. And they also give me a free one, so maybe now if you buy one from them, you will get a free one as well. Anyway, so hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, sub, and share. Until next time, bye.